cytonucleus of a cell are long biomolecules towards the instructions for life. It is the blueprint used by the cells to create functional proteins, which in turn ultimately manifest as physical traits that can be passed on the next generation. This molecule is called deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. In 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick worked out that DNA is doubled helix like a twisted staircase. The two sugar phosphate backbones make up the sides, and the base pairs make up the rungs or steps of the twisted staircase. Ang DNA mao ang molekula sulod sa nukleo nga nagtipig sa instruction para sa kinabuhi sa pagpasa sa mga kinaiya ngadto sa sulod nga henerasyon. Niadtong 1953 na diskubre nila James Watson ug Francis Crick nga ang DNA double helix nga sama sa baliko nga hagdan, ang duha ka sugar phosphate backbones mao ang kilid ug ang base pairs mao ang mga ang sa hagdan. The DNA molecule is composed of three types of component molecule: phosphate group, the sugar deoxyribose, and the bases, adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine, A, T, C, G. There are three molecules that forms the basic building of DNA, the nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of one phosphate group, one sugar molecule, and one of the four bases. Across the strands of the helix, A always pairs with T and G always pairs with C. Cells inside the body of organisms constantly divide and grow in mass and number or to repair damaged tissue. Just before a parent cell divides, all the components of the cell must be duplicated so that each daughter cells can have a complete set of organelles. This includes the DNA. There is a special process wherein one DNA molecule is duplicated into two DNA molecules. This process is called DNA replication. Ang DNA adunay phosphate group, sugar nga deoxyribose ug upat ka bases, adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C ug guanine G. The basic nga building block niini ang mao ang nucleotides. Ang naglangkog og phosphate, sugar og usa sa upat ka bases sa helix kanunay magpares ang A ug T ug G ug C. Ang mga selula sa lawas kanunay magbahin aron motubo o muayo ang daot nga tissue. Sa dili pa magbahin ang parent cell, kinahanglang madoble ang tanan sulod. Lakip ang DNA. Ang proseso sa pagdoble sa DNA gitawag nga DNA replication. It is estimated that there are around 6.4 billion base pairs in a set of human genetic material. Because of its huge number, the DNA is segmented or organized into chunks or packages that we call chromosomes. There are 46 chromosomes in a human. 23 of each come from the mother and 23 come from the father. A chromosomes from the father and its equivalent chromosomes from the mother make up a homologous chromosomes pair. This means that when DNA is replicated, it is done so by chromosomes. Each of the 46 chromosomes are replicated into sister chromatids, which will separate into two cells during cell division. The picture on the left depicts a pair of homologous chromosomes. Uppercase A is chromosomes from the father, while lowercase a is its homologous pair from the mother. Notice that each original chromosomes becomes a chromosomes with two structure. After DNA replication, because there are now two identical copies of the DNA, the sister chromatids are the products of DNA replication. Ang DNA sa tawo adunay 6.4 billion base pairs nga giorganize sa 46 ka chromosomes. 23 gikan sa mama ug 23 gikan sa papa. Ang homologous chromosomes pair naglungkob sa usa gikan sa mama ug usa gikan sa papa. Sa replication, matag chromosomes mahimog duha ka sister chromatids nga mag-separate sa cell division. Recall that during mitosis, the identical sister chromatids will be separated into two cells resulting into two identical DNA for both diploid daughter cells. So mao ni kanang DNA replication nga mo ni sa mitosis nga mo himo siya two kabuok diploid cells. Recall also that in meiosis, this process is slightly more complicated because it involves two divisions, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, and requires homologous pairs to cross over during the first phase. During meiosis 1, the chromosomes for the father, dark colored, exchanges from some genetic materials with its homologous chromosome from the mother, light colored. This ensures that the four daughter cells after meiosis 2 will be similar but not identical to each other, unlike in mitosis. Sa mitosis, ang sister chromatids magbulag o maapod sa duha ka cells nga ang resulta kay duha ka diploid nga anak ka cells nga parehas og DNA. Sa meiosis, duha ka division nga mahitabo, meiosis 1 ug meiosis 2. Sa unang phase, mag-crossover ang homologous pairs aron mag-exchange og genetic material. Sa meiosis 1, ang chromosomes gikan sa papa mag-exchange og genetic material sa homologous chromosomes gikan sa mama. Tungod ani, ang 4 ka anak nga cells sa meiosis 2 magkalahi pero dili parehas. Lahi sa mitosis nga identical. Mitosis is used for multiplying ordinally bodied cells. Therefore, it makes sense that the resulting cells should be identical to the parent cells and contain all the 46 chromosomes to maintain the same function. Meiosis, on the other hand, is used for producing gametes, egg cells, and sperm cell. Therefore, it must contain only half of the chromosomes because the other half will be divided by the other parent. Remember that 23 chromosomes come from father and 23 chromosomes come from the mother. The product of meiosis must also be not identical to promote variability among the offspring. This is why siblings of the same parent are similar, yet they are not identical. If the exchange of the genetic materials between homologous chromosomes did not happen during meiosis 1, all sperm cells from your father would be identical and all egg cells from your mother would be identical. Therefore, siblings of the same parents would all be identical. In summary, when body cells divide in via mitosis to produce two diploid daughter cells with identical DNA, or when sex cells, sperm and egg, divide via meiosis to produce four similar but not completely identical haploid cells, the cells in question would need to undergo DNA replication first to produce the needed genetic material. Ang meiosis kay para maghimo og identical body cells nga adunay 46 ka chromosomes. Ang meiosis kay para maghimo og gametes, egg og sperms nga adunay 26 ka chromosomes og dili identical para maghatag og variability sa mga anak.